Life unfolds in phases. What do I mean by that? I'll be very quick with this one. So basically, in our life, right, we have different moments. We have sad moments, we have happy moments, we have exciting moments, we have boring moments, and all these moments in accumulation, right? They create packs of phases. So basically, if you're living your life, right, um, maybe in a year you might go through 2 phases, you might go through 4 phases, you might go through 6 phases. Who knows? Like you might go to like 10 phases. And what are these phases? See, in every moment in our life, okay, there is a theme that's going on. And it's my personal experience. Like I have noticed this thing, and I've noticed this thing with people also, people who have like talked to. It at any moment in our life, we have a perpetual constant theme going on. We might be like doing different things. You might like go to vacation, come back, start your new year of your university, or you might like start a business, and or like start your college. So like you might do different things, but that part of your life, that section of your life has a theme. Okay. And when we are in that moment, when we are in that present moment, we can't see it as that moment it is basically. So let's say you might have times in your life when you felt like the whole theme of your life was sad, or let's say exciting, or let's say boring, or let's say things weren't moving in the way you thought they should move, or like things weren't happening in the way you thought they should happen. And you felt like powerless, you felt sad, you felt life is not happening as it should. Things aren't happening as they should, or as you want them to be basically. And they don't happen that way because you're in that particular phase in your life where things are supposed to go that way. Things are supposed to be boring, things are supposed to be painful, things are supposed to be exciting or XYZ or confusing. So we go through life, and we go through life in phases, right? So personally, in my life, my, let's say, last 2 years, or let's say like last 1.5 year, I have been through like almost 4 phases. And like I could like only see that thing in retrospect. I can't see it like when I was in that moment, right? So now when I look back at it, I can see through the phases I went through. And in those phases, I felt like nothing was happening. I was powerless. I was not in control. I thought like that theme of my life might just go on forever. This is like a very, very, very crucial thing. Sometimes when you are in your in those phases, you might think that that's basically the theme of your whole life. You might feel like you will stay like that forever, but you won't, of course. And now, like I can say that, right? But when we are in those phases, we can't see that. We just can't see that. We feel like, okay, this might be my reality forever. I might be this person forever. I might behave like this forever. People might behave like this to me forever. And of course, like that's not true, right? That's not true. And of course, like I can attest that. Um, Aside from that, what I wanted to talk about, it's not just about like how that phase is going on, like sad or happy and things like that. Even like your teenage, right, your childhood, those were phases too. Like those were a bit long term phases, but those were phases too. Like your childhood, your adulthood, your teenage, all those moments, right? Your high school times, um, your kindergarten time, maybe time when you're working now, all those moments, like those are like part of your life, and like those are basically individual phases that you go through. One very crucial thing to just remind yourself when you are going through life is that try to like cherish your phases. Try to cherish all those moments. You might be in a phase that's quite difficult, that's just a bit too much. to handle, it's a bit just too hard, too difficult for you, too difficult to the level where you haven't really faced till now, I would say that even like in those moments, try to cherish them because those are like part of your life, right? You can't just like pick some phases or like pick some moments and say that you like those moments, like only those moments. You can't say that. Like we have to sort of see life as whole, even times when things are hard, like we had to like learn to cherish them because things might be hard forever, our life might be hard like in every moment, like the toughness might be different, but it might be hard forever, so you can't just like delay your life or like delay your satisfaction forever. Like try to find some cherishing moments in every phase of your life. The basic format that repeats every time is basically you're going through life, you have some hurdles, you face them, and now you have choice that you either work on them, you either accept them, you either face them head on, or you just like don't do anything, you just surrender. You feel like you can't do anything, you just like start worrying without any action. So you could like either face them head on and take actions and put yourself completely to it, put all your efforts to it, or either you can just like continue to worry and not do anything. So in every phase of your life, you will face this theme. You will have a hurdle, you will have a difficulty in your life, a challenge, let's say, of any degree, of any kind, and you can either face it, work on it, change it, or you can like surrender. And I would suggest, and I have done it in my life too, that when we work on it, when we like face it head on, things change, things improve, and you find ourselves in a much better place, in a much better, higher level, more conscious phase. Peace out.